In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add booking form to your website Calendly. By the end, you'll have your scheduling form embedded right on your site, so visitors can book time without ever leaving your page. First, open your Calendly dashboard and go to the event type you want people to book. This could be a consultation, a demo, or any meeting you already set up. Hover over or open that event type and look for the three dots menu next to it. That menu is where Calendly keeps extra options for each event. Make sure you're selecting the exact event you want to publish on your website because the embed will point to that specific booking flow. Next, click Add to Website. This tells Calendly you want to generate code you can place on your site. You'll see a few ways to share your event, but we're going to embed it so it appears directly on a page. Choose Inline Embed. Inline means the booking form will sit within your page content like a section in the middle of your layout. This is different from a pop-up, which floats over the page. Inline is great for landing pages, contact sections, or anywhere you want the scheduler to feel native to your design. Now, click Copy Code. Calendly will give you a small code snippet that includes a div container and a script. You don't need to edit it right now, just copy it exactly as provided. If you ever change the event settings later, you won't need new code unless you switch to a different event type. Head to your website, open the page where you want the booking form to appear. Decide on a spot that makes sense for your visitors, like below a services description, near a call to action, or in your contact page. If you use a content management system or website builder, make sure you're in the editor for that specific page. Paste the copied code into an HTML or custom code block in your editor. Most platforms have a block or widget called HTML, embed, or custom code. Place the block where you want the scheduler to show, paste the snippet, and save. If your builder offers width or height settings, set the container to full width and give it enough height so the entire scheduler is visible without awkward scroll bars. Publish or update the page, then open it in a new tab to test. Try selecting a date and time to confirm everything works, and check on mobile to ensure it's responsive. If it doesn't appear, verify that scripts are allowed on the page and that you pasted the code in an HTML area, not plain text. That's it. Your Calendly booking form is now live on your website and ready to capture appointments.